Differences between the coil resistances and working current of the three types of DLPIs are as follows. Resistance of door coil or TOL lock coil of bipolar make is 50 ohms. Howrah make is 14.8 ohms and Bodanur make is 48 ohms. Working current of door coil or train on-line lock coil of bipolar make is 200 milliamperes. Howrah make is 250 milliamperes and Bodanur make is 250 milliamperes. Resistance of bell relay of bipolar make is 500 ohms. Howrah make is 400 ohms and Bodanur make is 400 ohms. Working current of bell relay of bipolar make is 20 milliamperes. Howrah make is 25 milliamperes and Bodanur make is 25 milliamperes. Resistance of bell coil of bipolar make is 60 ohms. Howrah make is 30 ohms and Bodanur make is 48 ohms.